In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix the music stops playing when any kind of app is opening on your iPhone and how we can fix it. So if you're going through this kind of trouble, this is what we have to do. So the first thing what we need to do is we have to get to the settings. Now from here, we have to scroll it down and tap on accessibility. From here, what we need to do is we have to scroll it down all the way down over here at the bottom. You can see there is an option called pre-app setting in which you have to click on this. Now we have to go to add app. Now from here, select the app that is causing the issue. For example, for me, the issue is caused by a particular app called Facebook. Then you have to just go over here, tap on it. So the Facebook is added. Once you add the Facebook, what you need to do is you have to click on this. And right now, you have to do the same over here. As you can see, if you scroll it down, you can see at the bottom, there is an option called autoplay video previews. You have to click on this. And right now, change this to off here. Now, similarly, you just need to go back and add the multiple app that you're having the trouble with, and you have to do the same for every app over here. After doing this, you just need to go back and you have to check with the music player whether it's working fine. And if you're having the trouble, the next thing is all about you have to disable the microphone. So you're having a trouble with one particular app, like for example, I said Facebook. So if that is the case, I need to disable the access to the microphone for the Facebook. So to do so, I just need to go to the settings. Now from here, I have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the apps. From here, what I need to do is I just need to search for the Facebook. And right now you can see the microphone. I have already turned it off. If it is turned on, I have to just turn off the microphone and you have to check with it. And right now, you can play any kind of songs without any kind of an issue. And that is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.